Now, good evening, viewers. Today's topic is electric power efficiency. Power efficiency or any efficiency is, that output by input. Power efficiency is defined as the ratio of the output power divided by the input power. So, efficiency is denoted by efficiency is equal to 100%. It can be maximum when power output is equal to power input or power output by power input. Efficiency is the percentage. Always it will be given as the percentage. P input is the input power consumption in watts. P out is output power or actual work done in watts. Actual work done in watts. So example. Now we will work out an example to illustrate the power efficiency. Electric motor has input power consumption of 50 watts. The motor was activated for 60 seconds and produced the work of 2970 joules, 2970 joules. Find the efficiency of motor. So the solution will be as follows. The power input has given 50 watts. Efficiency power uh, output was 2970 joules per second and T is equal to 60 seconds. So power output will be E by IT. E is equal to 2970. T is equal to 60 seconds. So what is the E by T is nothing but joules per second is known as the watt. So 49.5 watts. So efficiency will be 49.5 by 50 into 100. That is 99%. Next, energy efficiency. Now we have discussed about the power efficiency. Now we will discuss about the energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is defined as the ratio of the output energy divided by the input energy. So efficiency can be maximum 100%, that is denoted by E out by E input. Efficiency is the efficiency in percentage. En is the input energy consumed in joules, and E out, that is energy output, is the output energy or actual the work done in joules. So example, we will work out a small example to illustrate the above. A light bulb has input consumption of 50 watts. The light bulb was activated for 60 seconds and produced a heat of 2400 joules. So find the efficiency. So power input is given as 50 watts as it is. Power P in is equal to 50 watts. E output is equal to E as given 2400 joules. T is equal to 60 seconds. So input, energy input will be power input. Power into time will give you the energy. So power input in time and into time, that is multiplied by time, is equal to 50 watts into 60 seconds, 3000 joules. Since the light bulb should produce a light and not heat, so E output is equal to E input minus E output. So 3000 joules minus 2400 joules is equal to 600 joules. So uh, accordingly, efficiency will be E out by E in into 100%. That is 20%. At 10 minutes.